In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Adobe Illustrator set up for work at the Westminster schools. So the first thing you need to do is open up self-service. And within self-service, we're not actually going to install Adobe Illustrator, but we're going to search for Creative Cloud. And these are the results you should get. What you need is the Adobe Creative Cloud app installed. And so because I have it installed, you can see I get the option to reinstall. But this is Adobe's Creative Cloud agent that talks to their cloud and allows you to download the apps through it. For whatever reason, it's a little bit weird and we can't just download Illustrator directly from self-service. So you're going to want to install this. It's red. It looks like a little infinity symbol. It looks like a cloud. It's called Adobe Creative Cloud. When you finish downloading that, you can open it and it has this rainbow colored version of the same icon. When you go to sign in, it's really important that you don't choose continue with Google. For many things here, we're okay to sign in with Google. For whatever reason, Adobe is also weird. If you sign in with Google this way, it's going to ask you to buy Adobe Illustrator, even though the school has already purchased a license for you as a Westminster student or faculty member. So if you're ever getting like, hey, your trial has expired or you need to pay for this through Creative Cloud, it's because you signed in the wrong way using one of these options. So instead, you need to actually type in your email address. Up here, type in your full email address and hit continue, and that's going to take you to this page where you can select, this is a company or school account. So choose the orange option, the second one. And then it's going to take you to our regular sign-in page. I've never once seen it successfully auto sign in, so you actually have to type in your information again, including your password. And then if you're faculty, you'll get a two-factor authentication notification that you need to approve. And just waiting for that to go through. Now we're signed in to Creative Cloud correctly. If you ever mess it up and you signed in using Google or one of the other ways, you can always click on this little blue circle and just hit sign out and start the process over. From within here, you can search Illustrator and you should get the Illustrator app. And we want the desktop app for Macs. So if you click here, you will have the option to install it if you haven't done so already. Now I have this installed. So I'm able to click open, but that's how you go get Adobe Illustrator set up on a Westminster laptop, is by starting with self-service, downloading the Creative Cloud app, and then signing in manually, and then downloading Illustrator from the Creative Cloud app. So I hope that this helps.